Did you know that your roof can stop the sale of your house? On this project that we're working on today, we came out here pre-listing and we looked at the roof and found a lot of hail damage that any inspector is going to call out and recommend a roof replacement. With that being the case, it's important to get this done as soon as possible before you have 11th hour negotiations going on that could stop the sale and push buyers out of purchasing the house. I'm a property inspector as well, so I get a unique insight on your roof from the inspector's standpoint and also from the roofer's standpoint. So I really have a good insight for what inspectors are going to be calling out and looking for, and I can educate my listing agents and my roof buyers to help make sure that they have the product that they need at the price point that they're needing it to be at, to make sure that we can help them get through that transaction. So when we come out to a roof like this, sometimes the damage is so old that it's not under insurance anymore, so we do have to do a cash buy at that point. But what we can do is we can do financing at close, we can do financing out of proceeds to the house, whatever is going to be comfortable for the sellers, that's going to be the person buying our roof. Beyond that, we'll get out there quickly and effectively get it taken care of. So if you're thinking about listing your house, then we absolutely recommend that you call us, Red Ladder Roofing, to come out there and check out the roof before you get that listing going, and let's help make sure that it goes nice and smooth and you guys don't have any issues.